everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to put a wallpaper on your keypad. Here is my keypad. Can you see the top three dots? First, we have to click on that three dots. Then here there is an option called theme. We have to press the option. Here we have to click on the plus button and we are in our gallery. You can choose any picture from your gallery if you like, and just adjust your brightness if you like and apply. Here you have a nice wallpaper. If you want another online wallpaper, it's online wallpaper. You can go down. There are many more, but I'm showing you this and apply. Thank you, and please do subscribe my channel.